Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to install a spa cover on a hot spring spa with the Uprite Cover Lifter. Before we get started, let's determine the tools you will need. Tools you will need: impact driver or drill, 11mm wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, square head screwdriver. Step 1. Place the new cover on top of the spa. Step 2. Loosen the two bolts on the gas shock with your wrench. Do the same thing on the other side. Step 3. Place the arm inside of the guide rail. Do the same thing on the other side. Step 4. Draw a line along the top side of the guide rail. Remove the arm and pre-drill 4 holes for the screws. Step 5. Attach the guide rail to the cover with the 4 screws. Step 6. Place the arm back into the guide rail and mark the 2 holes with a Sharpie. Pre-drill the 2 holes. Step 7. Attach the lifter arm to the cover with the 2 screws. Step 8. Draw a line on the top side of the other guide rail. Remove the arm and pre-drill 4 holes for the screws. Step 9. Attach the guide rail to the cover with the 4 screws. Step 10. Place the arm back into the guide rail and mark the 2 holes with the Sharpie. Pre-drill the 2 holes. Step 11. Attach the lifter arm to the cover with the 2 screws. Step 12. Install the 2 bolts on the outside rear of the guide rail. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift the spa cover all the way up. Step 13. In the upright position, tighten the 2 gas shock bolts. Do the same thing on the other side. Step 14. Install the bolt on the underside of the guide rail. Do the same thing on the other side. Cover installed. Good job. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.